Hi everyone, Amanda Jane here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the spider stitch. So crocheting the spider stitch is extremely easy. Start by making a slip knot on your yarn. Today I'm using Aran weight yarn and a size 5mm crochet hook. Crochet an even number of chain stitches. So I'm just going to do a small sample here. We'll have a little count up in a minute. So yarn over, pull through till you have your chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, a couple more, 15, 16. Now in the second chain from the hook, that is this one here, just here, you're going to do a single crochet. That's yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, a chain, and another single crochet in the same chain. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. You're going to skip the next chain, which is that one, and do the same process. Single crochet, 1 chain, and a single crochet in the same stitch. And then skip a chain, single crochet, chain, and a single crochet in the next stitch. Skip a stitch, single crochet, chain, single crochet, skip a stitch, and you're just going to repeat that all the way to the end of the chain. Just finish off this. And the second row is the repeat row. So this is a 1 row repeat pattern, which makes it perfect for beginners. So we've reached the last 2 stitches. We will do a single crochet in the last stitch, one chain, and another single crochet, one chain, turn our work. Now we're going to have to look, let's have a look at the right side first of all. You can see that you've got this little wavy edge at the top, and in between your stitches, your single crochet stitches, you have your chain space. Now it's important to find that chain space, and in the first instance it's quite tricky to see that chain space. It's just here. So single crochet into the chain space, 1 chain, and another single crochet into the same space. Then look for the next chain space, just here, just here. 1 chain and another single crochet in the same chain space. Move across to the next chain space, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, and another single crochet. Moving across again, look for that chain space. It's actually in here. It does get easier to find as you work further up your project. And then once again, Is that my chain space? Yes. Single crochet, 1 chain, single crochet, and again single crochet, 1 chain, single crochet, and this is your repeat row for the spider stitch. Find your last chain space, 1 chain, turn your work to the left. Now these chain spaces become a little bit more apparent as you work your way along. Have a look again, so it's not the gap between the, it's just in here. Because you can see that gap there, that's not the chain space, that's the move between one stitch and the next one. It's after that little hole there, it's in this one just here. There we go. We're getting into a rhythm now. Now the good thing about this is it's a reversible pattern, so both sides look exactly the same. So the spider stitch gives you quite a dense fabric with a gentle sort of texture. It's not particularly textured, but it's a very lovely pattern which shows up when you've done several rows. So add the spider stitch to your collection of stitches. That one does not look correct. Let's just have another look. No, that is right. That is the chain, turning chain, that's the first single crochet. Turn your work. Find that chain space again. Single crochet, chain, single crochet, single crochet, chain, and single crochet. Crochet, chain, single crochet. I'll do a few more, and then what we'll do is we'll have a little look at how the spider stitch looks. Oopsie daisy. And finally for this row, single crochet. There. Now we have a little sample of our spider stitch, which is very cute and gives a lovely pattern. Now I would like to make a cardigan with this. We'd make a lovely warm cardigan, maybe in double knitting yarn, but that would be a very quick stitch to use, and you'd get used to actually finding that single chain space that you have in each of these clusters of 2 single crochet. So you'd be finding that chain gap quite easily once you've done a few rows. So there we have it. That is the spider stitch. Simply chain an even number of stitches and then you're going to do in the second second chain from the hook, a single crochet, a space and another single crochet, skip a stitch and repeat that all the way across. So there we have it, the single crochet, spider stitch, and if you've enjoyed this video, press the subscribe button and the bell to receive notifications, and I look forward to speaking to you very soon. Take care, bye.